Today, we're talking about a huge headache in computational teaching, the classic, "it works on my machine" problem. You know the drill. A semester starts not with concepts, but with endless software setup problems.
You want to teach, right? But you're stuck debugging and fixing version conflicts instead?
All these hurdles just get in the way of learning, frustrating everyone from day one.
So much time is just wasted on troubleshooting. But what if there's another way?
Well, there is. It's a platform called Nuvolos, and it's built to fix this.
Nuvolos is a lab-as-a-service platform. So what does that actually mean for you?
It means every student gets the exact same ready-to-use environment right in their browser.
Basically, all those frustrating technical roadblocks, they're just gone.
So you go from that manual chaos to clean, automated consistency for everyone.
For professors, the entire assignment workflow becomes 3 super simple steps.
And it doesn't matter if you have 5 students or 500. It's stable and reproducible.
Okay, but what's the actual measurable impact of all this? Let's look at the numbers.
Professors save, on average, 10 hours per course on just admin and setup tasks.
And get this, IT support requests, they drop by a massive 95%.
Students get about 2 hours of their time back so they can just focus on learning.
And, a smoother experience naturally leads to happier students and better course reviews.
This is huge for equity. A student's personal laptop no longer limits their learning.
So teaching gets back to what it should be, focused, reproducible, and just effortless.
It all really comes down to their simple, powerful promise.
So the real question is, if all these barriers were just gone, how would you reinvent your course?